Okay, so here I'm going to show how to add some molding using the Follow Me tool. First I'm taking the freehand tool and I'm just drawing a random kind of crown molding shape here. Then I'm going to use the straight line tool and I'm going to complete the shape. It has to be a complete closed shape, and you can see it changed color there. Next I'm going to use my select tool. Right now I'm showing you where it's Follow Me is. I'm going to use my select tool and I'm going to hold shift and I'm going to select a path. How the Follow Me works is a profile will follow a path. Okay, so I hold shift and I select a path. You can see my path goes all the way around my box. Next I'm going to come up top and go to Tools, Follow Me. Now I'm going to select my profile I would like to follow, and you can see the result. The next way I can use this tool is a more simple way. I can just have a profile and a path. So the path is where I want the shape to go, and the profile is the shape I want it to be. I select my path, go Tools, Follow Me, select my profile, and it follows. So let me show you how I could use this in a more advanced way, building a sink.